Good evening everyone, I'm your host Nigel O'Brien and this is the Earth Updated Show. Global Tiger Day, often referred as the International Tiger Day, is an annual celebration to raise awareness for conservation of tigers, and it is held on 29th of July. It was created in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit. The goal of the day is to promote global protection for natural habitats for the tigers and to raise awareness and support conservation of tigers. And in green news tonight, first off we have the Amazon soya beef exports may be linked to deforestation. Up to 1/5 of Brazil's soya exports to the European Union may be contaminated by illegal deforestation, a study has found. Researchers used freely available data and maps to identify specific ranches and farms that are clearing forest for this production of soya and beef destined for Europe. They said that 2% of these properties were the reason behind 62% of the illegal deforestation. I mean, that's some pretty serious stuff. Secondly, we have the Siberian heat wave is a clear evidence of global warming. The record-breaking heat wave in Siberia would have been almost impossible without the human-made caused climate change, a study has found. The Russian region's temperature were more than 5 degrees centigrade above average between January and June this year. That makes such an event almost impossible without the emission of greenhouse gases. And lastly, the UK electrical waste mountains is growing. UK households and businesses produce 1.45 million tons of electrical waste each year. The report says 1.65 million tons of electricals were sold in 2017 and 155,000 tons of electrical waste were dumped in house bins or incinerated or sent to the landfills. I mean, come on UK. Well, that's all for International Green News tonight, folks. I'll be back with local green news by the end of the show. Till then, stay tuned. So for tonight's guest, we have an environmentalist, an educator, and the leader of a students group which is closely associated with earthscience.net called the Green Agers from AG School, Park Street, Kolkata. Due to this lockdown, she couldn't be with us physically, but we have her on call. Please welcome Mrs. Rupa Pandit. Hello ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us tonight, ma'am.
Yeah, I thank you too for calling me.
Yes, ma'am. So we know that you're very passionate about the environment. How or when did this passion ignite, ma'am?
It's a kind of short story, maybe. I had this somewhere inside me that keeps me, helps me understand what's going around or makes me ask questions that why some things are not happening. In 2011, I went to visit my friend Chandra in Seoul, which is in South Korea.
Okay.
That was the first time when I personally got introduced to segregational recycling, when I saw her doing it in her own house and asking me to separate what I throw. She stopped me from throwing anything anywhere. That was when I got really physically involved in what was something which was bookish to me. That year only I joined Assembly of Gospel School, Park Street, where I met Manshekhar, who is the vice principal.
Okay.
She is so passionate about doing something meaningful and she is so logical that I really got involved very passionately in this event what you are saying.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, earthscience.net is thrilled to have known of young environmentalists. So, what do your Green Agers do, ma'am?
Now, this Green Ager thing is nothing but a team of people, and the name came in 2013 from one of the students of class 11, Karanjeet Singh Zirgi.
Okay.
वो ना ऐसी बातों में बोलता है कि मैम, why not make the teenagers greenagers? Because teenagers को greenagers बना दीजिए. Now, it is not a task, it is not a labor job of getting grades or her folding curtains.
Okay.
It is just to be logical. It is you are also a teenager. Mr. Farrell is also a teenager. Everyone can be a teenager. It has got nothing to do with doing something. It is something to be logical. It is something to be thoughtful about. If you bazaar mein ja rahe hai, so you want to go empty-handed and you want to carry your bag along. That is what is a teenager.
Oh.
If you are buying something, then you just check that you are not accepting a plastic bag because you will have to throw it. If you are throwing something, please don't favor the dump yard where mixed garbage is. So be allergic to things which are going wrong and individually say no to that. That is all. It is not a very big thing. Have your own small pot where you have a bit of soil. On that you put your vegetable seeds and mix it up for once a week. But you get your own soil where you plant the plant. These are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
something which are very difficult to do. They are only when you are a bit thoughtful. That is what teenagers do.
Sounds significant, ma'am. So, ma'am, is there any other future projects planned?
There is no plan of expanding the variety of work. We only want to see as teenagers and association with Earth Smiles in the small movements that we do and how beautiful it becomes a meaningful movement. It's only to bring awareness on simple logical activities that you read but you don't do and you don't even feel like doing it. So start doing them. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. So, any few words for our viewers, ma'am?
Greenagers, Earthsmiles.net and Greenagers have become very closely associated with day by day I have seen it growing and the relationship has become a very beautiful bonding. So as viewers, we would request you to be Earthsmilers and request you to be Greenagers and request you to be logical, good Indians. That's all.
Alright, ma'am.
That's enough to be. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Well, thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule and being with us, ma'am. But before you go, I would like you to tell us about a song which comes to your mind when you hear environment.
The songs and Hindi film songs are very close to my heart. I think someone of your team knows about that. So, but I will not be able to let it go because anyone asks me to sing and I get,
That's okay, ma'am. Can you just tell us the song? Which song is it?
No, I'll sing the song. I will sing 2 lines of the song.
Okay, ma'am. No worries.
This song is from movie Do Bigha Zameen
Okay.
and sung by Manna Dey, music by Salil Chaudhary if I remember. And I'm very sad that I can't just now remember the lyrics. But the song is too moving, too meaningful.
Okay.
It goes like this. अपनी कहानी छोड़ जा, कुछ तो निशानी छोड़ जा, कौन कहे इस ओर तू फिर आए न आए, डर के कहे पुकार के, बीज बोले प्यार के, मौसम भी सा जाए, मौसम भी सा जाए, मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए. Okay?
Well, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure. All the best to your team and it has been my pleasure. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Greenmind and welcome back to Mr. Greenmind's workshop. So what do you do when you want to have a real fruit juice but you don't have a juicer or either it's broken? Well, I've got the solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make a juicer out of some plastic bottles. So let's get started. In order to make one, you need a 500 ml bottle and a 1 liter bottle. You need a thin stick. Firstly, you need to cut the bottom of the 1 liter. Second, you need to punch hole on either side of the both bottles in the middle. Third, you need to insert the 500 ml inside the 1 liter, attaching it to the thin stick to the holes. And finally, adding some cool artworks on it to make it look good. If you happen to make any such juicer on your own, then do share it with us via email, WhatsApp or Facebook. Until then, Greenmind signing off.
I'm Fiona, and welcome back to Planet Pop. While we're waiting for our caller to come through, here are the rules, and also take a look at our previous winners. Hi,
Hi,
can I get your name, please?
Charlene Dixon.
Hi, Charlene. Thank you so much for calling in and participating in this quiz.
Thank you for having me.
Are you ready for your questions?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, your first question. The current world population is 7.8 billion. By 2050, what does the UN Population Division expect the world population to be? Your options are 9 billion, 2 billion, 50 billion, or 10 billion.
I think 10 billion.
That answer is correct. Now, for your
Thank you.
second question. Which country is estimated to be the most populous country in the world by 2050? Your options
By
are
2050.
2050. Your options are Japan, China, India, or Germany.
I think China.
China is the most populous country right now, but by 2050, we're expecting India to actually be the world's most populous country. But thank you so much for calling in. You will still receive your prize for answering one question correctly.
Thank you so much for having me.
Hi,
Yes.
who am I speaking to?
Javis Rao.
Javis, how old are you?
I'm 15 plus.
Thank you so much for participating in the show. Are you ready for your questions?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Your first question is Taj Mahal is threatened due to, your options are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water vapor, or sulfur dioxide.
I guess water vapor.
No, that answer is incorrect. Taj Mahal is actually under threat because of sulfur dioxide, which is eroding its substances. No worries, we have another question for you. Which atmospheric layer is the closest to the surface of the Earth? Troposphere, exosphere, mesosphere, or stratosphere? Closest to the Earth.
Troposphere.
That answer is correct. Thank you so much for calling in. You will receive your prize soon.
Thank you.
Both our callers won prizes from earthsmiles.net. Well, that is all for today, folks. Just a quick reminder, you can be on the show with me too. Just register by WhatsApp on this number. I hope I see you soon.
Hello and good evening everyone. I'm Nigel and I'm back with another minute of interesting information for everyone.
And I'm Michael. Since the spike of COVID cases in Kolkata, the police and civic bodies have adopted varying strategies for different markets to prevent crowding in their bid to combat the spread of COVID.
Yes, Mike. In the northeastern part of the city, markets in Lake Town, Damdam Park and Kalindi will open only till 11 am. These include shopping malls that have been asked to open early and shut at the curfew hour. In the adjoining Newtown as well as parts of south and southeastern Calcutta, markets have been shut for the weekend to prevent the crowding. 10 markets operated by the Newtown Kolkata Development Authority will stay shut on Sunday along with markets in Jadavpur and Santoshpur. In the eastern belts too, markets in Muchi Bazar near Ultadanga, Kadapada in Fulbagan and Jora Mandir in Beliagata have been shut as there were 20 COVID cases there. In southwest markets, Behala shut early on Saturday to facilitate a special sanitization by the KMC. Police said markets in Bijoygarh and Azadgarh have been shut too, and Bikramgarh market will operate partially. And in the heart of Kolkata, markets with shops that are selling electrical goods and fittings will open only thrice a week since the beginning of this week. And our very own Territy market will open only on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays for a few weeks to come.
So everyone knows when to go to the market. And this is 1 minute. So see you guys next week. Until then, stay safe and don't forget to wash your hands.
Oh hi, didn't see you there. Feeling thirsty, so I just thought of making some juice with the DIY juicer showed by our very own Mr. Green Mind. So I hope you do the same and do send us some pictures through via email, WhatsApp or Facebook. We will see you next one. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to wash your hands.